Hello and welcome to our 5th training video in how to use the FSD Cloud. This video will focus mostly on students. I will show you guys how to create a MyBigCampus student account. Teachers, you should already have your account created by the IT technician, but if for some reason you do not have an account, you could follow these same exact steps to get an account created. Now I'm going to double click where it says MyBigCampus. I'll bring this window up and I'll maximize it just because it's a little easier to see. Now I'm going to click sign up for free. If you already have a MyBigCampus account, you do not need to follow this step. But if you haven't created one yet, this is what you would want to click. It will ask you to search for your school. So I'm going to type in Florence and hit search. You'll see there's different schools that appear here. You'll have to scroll down until you find the one that you want. And you'll notice there's actually 3 here for Florence, Wisconsin. There's the district, high school and middle school, and elementary school. Now we're going to assume that you are a high school and middle school student for this demonstration. Now you need to fill out this information in the correct fashion. So first name, last name. Email address you do not have to enter, but if you do have a personal email account, you could enter that in and receive notifications via that email, but it is not required. Username, you notice here it says this needs to be the username you use to log into your school network. If you do not enter this in correctly, it will not let you create an account. Screen name, what we want you guys to do is type FSD underscore username. That way it keeps it nice and simple. It will make life easier for your teachers when they try to find different things on there. It'll also make your life easier because the IT technician will be able to edit your accounts faster if we use this setup. So FSD underscore username. Now ask you to select your user type. I'll select student because this person is a student. If you're a teacher following this procedure, you obviously need to click teacher. Password. This needs to be the same password that you have for our network. So whatever you log in the computer with, you need to use that same password. Now I'll ask you to confirm it. We'll hit sign up. You'll notice they'll come on here, kind of give you the regular old terms of use. If you don't want to read this, you are more than welcome to. Otherwise, once you're done reading, you can check this little box and hit submit. What that just did is it actually checked our network to see that you're actually a valid user. That's why it's important to make sure you use the same network username and password. If you didn't, then it would have actually booted you out and not have let you in. So you need to make sure you follow those directions carefully. Once you're in here, your teachers will kind of take you through more as they integrate MyBigCampus into their classrooms and kind of show you how everything works. If you do run into questions, please notify teachers or anyone else that you may have questions about. Now I'm going to close out of MyBigCampus. If you want to log out, you can click Account, Log Out, and then you can close this. When you go back to MyBigCampus, I can double click MyBigCampus. If you click Login, you'll notice you can log your information in right here again. So I can do my student. Notice here you can find it by school name or zip code. For some reason, zip code doesn't seem to be working, so let's just type Florence in again. And we'll click our proper school. It's important that you pick the right one. I even check the little remember me login. And it should take us in. Once again, if you should have any problems or notice anything that's not correct in here, if you're a teacher, please contact your IT technician. Or if you're a student, please notify your teacher. Have a great day.